Did you know that dogs can sense illness in humans? A fascinating question that has intrigued many, and today we're going to delve into this remarkable canine capability. We've all heard tales of dogs displaying uncanny behavior when their owners are unwell. Perhaps you've even experienced it yourself. A normally energetic dog suddenly becomes calm and attentive, or a usually independent dog won't leave your side. These subtle shifts in behavior are often the first signs that your furry friend might be picking up on something you're not. Anecdotal evidence abounds with stories of dogs alerting their owners to health issues before they were even aware of them themselves. From dogs incessantly sniffing a specific spot on their owner's body that later turned out to be cancer, to dogs acting strangely around diabetic owners when their blood sugar levels were dangerously low. These stories are heartwarming and alarming in equal measure, and they all seem to point to the same conclusion. Dogs have a mysterious ability to sense when something's amiss with our health. The prevailing theory is that dogs use their acute sense of smell to detect these changes. Dogs' noses are incredibly powerful. They have up to 300 million olfactory receptors compared to a mere 6 million in humans. This means they can pick up on the subtlest of scent changes that we could never detect. And when it comes to our health, our bodies can give off different scents when things are not quite right. It's thought that dogs with their superior sense of smell are able to pick up on these changes, alerting them to potential health issues. So, we've seen that dogs seem to have a knack for picking up on health issues. But what does the science say? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic in the next scene. It turns out there's quite a bit of scientific evidence supporting our furry friends' diagnostic abilities. Over the years, numerous studies have delved into dogs' extraordinary capacity to sniff out illness, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. One of the most well-known areas of research is dogs' ability to detect cancer. In one study, trained dogs were able to correctly identify lung cancer by sniffing the breath of patients, with an impressive accuracy rate of over 90%. Another study showed that dogs could detect ovarian cancer in blood samples, while yet another found that dogs could sniff out prostate cancer in urine samples. The common thread in all these studies? The dog's sense of smell was key. But it's not just cancer. Dogs have also been found to detect diabetes. When diabetic patients experience a drop in blood sugar levels, they emit a distinct scent that dogs can pick up on. In a study, dogs were trained to alert their owners when they detected this scent, potentially preventing dangerous hypoglycemic episodes. And let's not forget about seizures. Dogs have been known to predict seizures up to 45 minutes before they occur. While scientists are still trying to understand how this is possible, it's believed that dogs can sense subtle changes in their owner's behavior or scent. So, how are dogs able to do this? Well, a dog's sense of smell is estimated to be between 10,000 and 100,000 times more sensitive than a human's. This allows them to pick up on minute changes in our bodies that we simply can't detect. It's like they have a built-in, ultra-sensitive chemical sensor. While it's clear that dogs can detect certain illnesses, how exactly are they doing it? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of canine olfaction in the next scene. The key to dogs' diagnostic abilities lies in their extraordinary sense of smell. This remarkable ability is all down to the canine olfactory system, a sensory superpower that is truly a marvel of nature. You see, a dog's nose is designed differently from ours. While humans primarily use their noses for breathing, dogs use theirs for both breathing and smelling simultaneously, giving them a dual advantage. But what makes their sense of smell so extraordinary? Well, it's all about the numbers. A dog has up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This means that dogs have a sense of smell that is tens of thousands of times more acute than ours. This powerful sense of smell allows dogs to detect volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These are tiny particles released by disease cells in the human body. The presence of certain types of VOCs can be indicative of specific diseases. For instance, cancer cells release different VOCs than healthy cells do. By smelling these VOCs, dogs can, in effect, sniff out disease. But how do dogs know what to sniff for? This is where training comes in. Dogs can be trained to recognize the scent profiles of various diseases. These scent profiles are unique combinations of VOCs that correspond to specific illnesses. By presenting dogs with samples that contain these scent profiles, trainers can teach dogs to associate these scents with particular diseases. Once a dog has learned a scent profile, it can then identify that scent in real-world situations. This is how medical detection dogs are able to alert their handlers to the presence of disease. They sniff out the VOCs associated with the disease, and then they alert their handler. So, we know that dogs can sense illness and how they do it. But what does this mean for us? The implications of dogs' diagnostic abilities are far-reaching, especially in the healthcare field. Let's take a moment to appreciate our four-legged friends who are not just our loyal companions, but also our potential lifesavers. Dogs are being increasingly recognized for their ability to detect a variety of diseases, including cancer. This is a testament to their extraordinary olfactory capabilities, which can be thousands of times more sensitive than that of humans. In numerous studies, dogs have demonstrated an uncanny ability to sniff out cancers such as lung, breast, and ovarian, often at early stages. This non-invasive method of detection could be a game changer, offering a more comfortable and less stressful alternative to traditional medical procedures. But it's not just cancer detection where dogs are making a difference. They're also being trained as seizure alert dogs, providing a vital warning system for individuals living with epilepsy. These dogs can often sense an oncoming seizure minutes, sometimes even hours before it happens, allowing their human partners to get to a safe place or take necessary medication. The benefits of using dogs in this way are immense. From non-invasive testing to early detection, and even providing emotional support during stressful medical situations, dogs are proving to be invaluable allies in healthcare. However, it's important to acknowledge that there are limitations and challenges. For instance, training a dog to detect diseases is a complex and time-consuming process, and not all dogs may be suitable for this task. Additionally, there's the question of how to interpret the dog's signals accurately and consistently. Despite these hurdles, the potential benefits are too significant to ignore. In conclusion, while we're still learning about the full extent of dogs' diagnostic abilities, it's clear that their contribution to the healthcare field is substantial. Dogs' ability to sense illness is not only fascinating, but also has the potential to revolutionize healthcare. So, to answer our initial question, yes, dogs can indeed sense illness in humans. These extraordinary creatures are not just our companions in life's joyous moments, but they stand by us, displaying a remarkable ability to detect health issues even before we are aware of them ourselves. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. We marveled at the mysterious canine sense that allows dogs to perceive the world in ways we can't. They possess an olfactory system so powerful that it outperforms any human or technological capability. It's this very sense of smell that dogs employ to detect diseases in humans. We delved into the science behind this sniffing prowess, learning that a dog's nose is a sophisticated sensing instrument capable of picking up volatile organic compounds, the telltale signs of diseases in our bodies. The scientific community is increasingly supporting this with compelling evidence, from dogs detecting cancer cells to identifying the onset of epileptic seizures. And we've seen how this extraordinary ability is not just an interesting fact, but has significant implications in the realm of healthcare. Dogs are being trained to put their sniffing skills to work in medical settings, identifying diseases at early stages when they are most treatable. This has the potential to revolutionize our approach to disease detection and management. But it's not just about the science. The bond between humans and dogs is a powerful one. Dogs' ability to sense illness in us is a testament to this bond, showing just how in tune they are with our physical and emotional states. Their instinct to care for us, to alert us, and to comfort us in times of illness is a poignant reminder of why dogs have earned the title of man's best friend. Next time your dog acts a bit odd around you, they might just be trying to tell you something about your health. So, pay attention, because man's best friend might just be man's best healthcare companion too.